अब मुझे मत बुलाओ। दिल की इधर खोल दो, चुप न बैठो कोई गीत गाओ। मधुपुर गया नहीं है।
Anyway, it has crossed duration of shot. It has gone for about 4 minutes and 57 seconds, nearly 5 minutes. Okay, so let me speak now. It was a wonderful experience playing on this tune. In fact, I had planned to, perform on some American number, but then I had a fear in mind about the copyright strike and that what you call. Actually, I have suffered a big blow from YouTube in terms of copyright because of I don't want to mention that because that is something which will not be repeated ever again. That was a particular thing which got over and done in the other channel. This is new beginning, and I have no reasons to be indecent like how I had been say a week before. Well, I don't have any regrets. I don't have repentance about it. It was just about to happen, and it happened. No problem. I welcome your action. Whatever action you have taken, you have barred me from uploading any videos for a week. I think about a couple of days already over, so it could go on for another 4 days. But then, even if you release it, I don't have intentions to do anything on that channel. Whatever was destined to happen, occur, has happened and occurred. I have nothing to do now. I would enjoy watching that channel definitely because I have slogged a lot, I have worked a lot, I have exhausted myself a lot, I have extracted my potentials, and that was a brilliant show of my capacity. Yes, indeed, as it had just overflown out of my endeavors. So I would definitely want to watch each and everything in detail. But if you ask me where I would like to work, this is the channel where I would like to work. Definitely. Right now it's got 2 subscribers, my wife and my son. First my son, now my wife, yeah. I don't know what would happen later on, but I'm really hopeful about making efforts on this channel. So when I was performing on this number with the glass, I enjoyed this particular sequence from the deepest bottom of my heart, and I'm really optimistic to go ahead with you, YouTube, on this journey. Thanks a lot. Thank you.